Hello everyone, today is Thursday, September 30th, and I haven't made a video in a while, but wanted to make a video today because I have essentially qualified for a combine with Leeloo using the Autotrader. So before I get into that, I want to first bring back this. I'm going to continue the deep discount on the Autotrader and the indicators of 40% off, so you can get the Autotrader for $29.95 and use the coupon code here, and the indicators will be 50% off at $4.95, and use code BWT50, NT7 or NT8 on the indicators. Autotrader is NT7. Still don't have the NT8 version, but we will eventually. That's all I can say. The Autotrader truly is an amazing tool. With a little bit of testing and a little bit of work, you can find setups that work consistently, such as this one, which I use effectively to qualify for a combine. Here is the money management settings that I use. Note the yellow border. It was a limit order with an 8-tick pullback and a fixed profit target of 60 ticks with a stop loss of 60 ticks, trailing by the volatility stop at 50 ticks. There was a $1,500 goal and a $750 loss limit, so a 2-to-1 limit. And this got me to my goal in just a couple of days, because I also traded this chart as well, the 16 Renko. They trade slightly different, but this chart also, this setup also has done really well. So I just wanted to bring over this. This is my trader dashboard from my Leeloo account. You can see my balance is just a little bit over 53,027. So being that I qualified in only about 4 days or 5 days, I still have to trade for 5 more days, and today I just traded a couple of micro contracts and actually got carried away and dipped below 53 because I made more than one trade, which I shouldn't have done. So it's all about discipline. So even trading a micro contract, I was down about 40 bucks, but managed to come back and regain what I had when I originally went over. I had 53,000 and about $33. So all I have to do is trade one micro contract for the next 5 days, and then I will submit for qualification, and I should get a funded account. Just wanted to bring over a couple of charts of the indicators in NT8, and here I've combined it with the line break indicator, and you can see some really good signals. I've had this set to 4 line breaks to eliminate some of the noise, but on this chart there are some really good signals to be had, and you can further refine this to your liking by making adjustments. But notice, you know, some of these moves like this, if you combine this with, you know, say like a 2-minute chart. Okay, so here's a 2-minute chart using the order flow indicator in NinjaTrader 8 with the BWT precision trend. And on a 2-minute chart with the line break signals, once again, there's pretty good signals here. The way to trade this is often to wait for a pullback to the volatility stop, or at least halfway. My rule is kind of halfway to the volatility stop, and there's often would lower your risk. Even a trade like this, with these trades being, some of these being losers, your risk would be mitigated by going halfway to the volatility stop. Even on a trade like this, halfway to the volatility stop would have been right about here, and then on this short you would have got in here. Now granted, it takes patience to wait for this, because this would be watching this for 10 minutes and then finally going in here, but you could have got short anywhere in here. There's always a really big move before the close. And then of course trading a line break chart, which requires a little practice, but because it eliminates so much of the noise. But there are just so many tradable swings on a line break chart. Here I'm using the moving average filter to kind of help a little bit, and just fantastic swings here on the line break chart. These are all tradable swings regardless of your trading style. As always, easier said than done, but certainly you can apply your own style of trading and adjust these indicators. What's really cool is we have our buy and sell labels right here where the bar crosses the volatility stop, and then of course the line break signal is here. This is on based on 3 line breaks, but the chart is based on 7 line breaks. So the signal here is at 3, but the setup of the chart is 7 line breaks here on a 10-second line break. This is in a fast-moving market. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I'm going to be making more videos as we move forward to the end of the year. Okay, thanks for watching.